the all-American apple pie with a twist, because I just couldn't resist.
My twist? Fresh ginger in the filling adds warmth and complexity to the classic pie. And although you can always use a store-bought crust, we're scratch baking the crust today, which we begin by combining buttermilk and an egg in a small bowl. Mixing well with a fork and then set it aside. In a large bowl, combine gluten-free flour, salt, and baking powder. Mix it well and then sprinkle in the small cubes of very cold butter and bits of cream cheese. This combo provides both buttery flavor and tenderness, which is often lacking in gluten-free crusts. Then get your hands in there and sift through and coat each piece with flour. Then go back through and press each piece flat. Continue to sift through and flatten all of the bits and begin pressing them into smaller pieces until it becomes a scraggly mixture like this. This method creates the flakiness in the crust by creating air pockets and layers in the dough as the butter melts while baking. Pour in the egg mixture and bring it all together into a ball. Roll it out just like any other crust and transfer it to the pie pan, trimming the edges and touching them up just to make it pretty. For the filling, combine the sliced apples with sugar, cornstarch, cinnamon, cardamom, and finely chopped fresh ginger. Mix it together so that all of the apples are coated evenly. Then pour it into the pie crust. The crumble topping is made with oats, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, ground ginger, and salt. Mix that together and then gradually add butter until the crumbles form. Sprinkle that on top of the apples, and in the oven it goes. This ginger apple pie bakes up beautifully browned with tender, sweet apples coated in warm spices and a buttery, flaky crust with a crunchy topping. Talk about some serious layers of deliciousness right here.
And I highly recommend topping it with vanilla ice cream.
You can find the recipe for ginger apple pie at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.